What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Seriously, you thought the standard Tesla Cybertruck looked crazy? You haven't seen anything yet. Most people think the stock truck looks like a stainless steel refrigerator on wheels. It's cool, but it's naked. Well, the maniacs at RNG Design, that stands for Renegade Design, decided that naked wasn't good enough, so they created this. This is the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck Widebody by RNG, and it makes the factory truck look like a kitchen appliance. This is what happens when you turn the Cyber dial all the way up to 11. First, let's talk about the presence, because pictures honestly don't do it justice. RNG Design wrapped this entire beast in a high-gloss black vinyl to delete that kitchen sink stainless look. But the real magic is the Carbon Fiber Widebody kit. Check out these fender flares. They are absolutely massive. They add about 4 inches to the overall width of the truck, giving it this squat, aggressive Batmobile stance that commands respect. And this isn't just regular carbon fiber weave that you see on a Civic hood. You can spec this in forged carbon, which looks like crushed marble or granite. It catches the sunlight perfectly and screams expensive. Well, they say the sky is blue because of the way that light comes from the sun to our atmosphere and reflects off different surfaces. Sunlight is a whole bunch of different colors. Move to the front, and the bumper has been swapped for a more aggressive carbon unit with a functional front splitter. It looks like it wants to eat traffic. The side skirts are extended to match the wide body, and they actually make the truck look lower to the ground. Up top, there is a carbon fiber roof spoiler and mirror caps. It transforms the Cybertruck from a weird triangle into a legit cyber tank. But a wide body means nothing without the right shoes. This thing is rolling on massive 24-inch RNG forged wheels. Yes, 24s. Because on a truck this big, 22s look small. They are deep concave, finished in gloss black to match the wrap, and wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires that give it that rugged, apocalypse-ready vibe. Does it ruin the ride quality? Maybe a little. But do you care? Absolutely not. Underneath all this carbon, this is still the Cybertruck beast. That means you have 3 electric motors pushing 845 horsepower and nearly 10,000 pound-feet of wheel torque. It still hits 60 in 2.6 seconds, which is terrifying in a vehicle that weighs 7,000 pounds. Now, I know what you are thinking. What about the range? Adding wide fenders and massive wheels definitely hurts the aerodynamics. You're probably losing about 10 to 15% of your range. So instead of 320 miles, you might get 280. But let's be real. If you are building a custom wide-body super truck, you aren't hypermiling to save $5 on electricity. You are here to snap necks. Inside, it's the classic Tesla minimalism, which creates a crazy contrast. You open the door of this aggressive Batmobile-looking tank, and you step into a quiet, white, vegan leather zen garden. You've got the yoke steering wheel, the massive 18.5-inch infinity screen, and the absolute silence of an EV. Driving this thing in the city is an experience. It is wide. You have to watch those carbon fenders on every curb, and parking spots feel tiny, but the steer-by-wire system makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver. So, the verdict. Let's talk numbers for the US market. The RNG carbon body kit alone runs you about 15 grand. Then you need the wrap, which is another 5 grand. The forged wheels and tires, another 8 to 10 grand. Add the labor and the base price of a Cyberbeast, and you are looking at a $130,000 to $140,000 build here in the States. If you dig this Cyber Batmobile, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. Drop a comment below. Is the widebody kit fire or too much? Let's argue, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Rev 3. Catch you guys in the next one.